What's up, fam? Today I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely delicious blackberry cobbler. Now, I know everybody's looking for budget-friendly recipes, and this is one for you. Now, let me tell you something. If you got something growing in your backyard, hey, you are already saving money and you just need a couple of ingredients. But for the most part, hey, easy recipe. Let me show you what I'm making real quick. So, hey, you see that right there? We got that going. And it's smelling oh so delicious, fam. Let me close this oven because I don't want to let all my heat out. Now, grab your ingredients. Meet me down at my workstation so we can get in the game. All right, fam. Hey, we're going to go ahead and get started on this recipe. Easy recipe. And I'm going to tell you, these recipes like this right here got us through, some times back in the day. And it's going to get us through some times moving forward. And what I'm working with a cup of flour, and then I'm gonna hit it with a cup of sugar, and then I'm gonna go in with a cup of milk. So essentially a cup, and a cup of the main ingredients. Go in with a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. And normally I put all the dry ingredients together at one time and then go to whisking away, but hey, it's all gonna come together. So you can put the dry ingredients and then whisk to combine, or you can just do like what I did, and you'll still be in the game. And I'm gonna add me a splash of vanilla extract. Once we got all our ingredients mixed and combined, fam, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and allow my oven to preheat. All right, fam, we're gonna go 350 degrees. And while I let my oven heat up, this is what I'm gonna do. Hey, I'm gonna take a stick of butter like so, and I'm gonna place it in this pan, and we're gonna place this inside the oven as it goes. And then after it melts, we'll bring it out, place the batter, and then we'll be on our way to absolutely delicious blackberry cobbler. Degrees. So look at this right here, perfect. So we got a little bit of that butter sizzling, which is perfect for what we're about to do. So instead of having a cold pan, hey, it's already heated. And then this will make your cooking time, your baking time, go a little bit quicker. And then what we'll do is we'll just swirl this around. Like so. And then we're going to add in our blackberries into our pan. And like I said, fam, this is a easy recipe that anybody can do. Anybody can have something absolutely delicious for their fam, a nice little treat. Get a little scoop of vanilla ice cream. Yes, sir, you in the game. Now, what I'm gonna do is, instead of putting a little bit of sugar on top, because these blackberries, they carry a lot of sugar content, I'm gonna let this cook, and I'm gonna let this cobbler rise, and then I'm gonna take it out, and then I'm gonna sprinkle just a little bit of brown sugar so it can give it like a nice little crust. And you'll see where I'm going after we let this bake for a little minute. But let's get this finished. Now we got everything situated, our blackberries, and you can see, hey, the batter is already starting to form. So we don't want it to, cook any longer, cook any faster. So we're gonna place this in the oven and let it do what it do. Hey, those berries gonna start bursting, create some nice flavor, have your house smelling absolutely delicious. We'll see you in a little bit. We're going for about 45 minutes. We got just a tad bit more to go. I'm gonna take this about 60. Hey, look at that right there. It's smelling absolutely delicious. What I wanna do before we put it back in for the remainder of the cook, I'm just gonna sprinkle some brown sugar on top. And then we're gonna let this go for about 15 more minutes. And I'm telling you, fam, it's smelling absolutely delicious. Now we're gonna place this back in the oven for 15 more minutes for a total cook time of 1 hour. Hey, we'll be in the game. All right, we've been going for an hour. And let me tell you, hey, this smells absolutely delicious. You see those blackberries have done what they need to do. Hey, we got a nice little golden crust. And we're gonna let this cool down. All right, fam, there you have it. You got your absolutely delicious blackberry cobbler. Take a look at this right here. Hey, you already know you got to get a little bit of ice cream, let it melt a little bit. Hey, this is what I like. Hey, I like those corner pieces what almost sticks to the side of the pan. And you got a nice little crust on it. And let me get a little piece. Yes, sir. That right there. Hey, fam, we in the game. Cheers. Yes, sir. I always like the crust on the side. That's my favorite piece right there. And I got to go back in for another bite of this. That is simply delicious. And it's an easy recipe, fam. All right, fam, I told you it's a simple recipe to get you in the game, to keep you in the game. Now, if you're new to my channel, hey, let me take this time out to tell you thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends and tell them Cooking with Manual Focus got you in the game. Now, for my Focus fam that's been rolling me for a while, hey, your boy, the coach, is about to get back in the game. Call some plays, and we'll see you guys on the next recipe. Hey, we're in the game.